So hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to add TikTok sounds into CapCut. The first possibility you have is that you opened up CapCut and you can see this audio right here. You're gonna click that, then you click yours, and then here you will be able to see TikTok sounds. So here you will see at maximum 10 sounds because these are the non-copyrighted songs that you can use. So you probably won't find the song you're looking for. So another option you have is just to go to TikTok, and keep in mind that you can only use popular sounds if you don't have a business profile, so only with a creator profile. So you need to go to TikTok and search for the song you would like to use in your video. Then open a video with the sound. You just right click on the video and click download video. So now the video is going to be downloaded. What you need to do is just put the song into CapCut by dragging it basically from Google. Sorry, it's not the sound, it's the video, and you need to extract the sound from the video. So you're going to right click on the video in CapCut and just click extract audio. So here you have the audio extracted, and you can delete the video now. I have only the sound now. So now basically I can just make the video, and I can also make sure that right now this sound is not copyrighted. I mean, you can use it on TikTok, and what I advise you to do basically is just make the video this way, export it, and when you upload it you can mute it and use the original sound that's on TikTok, because the algorithm likes when you use the already uploaded songs on TikTok. Alright, so all in all, this is how to add TikTok sounds into CapCut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium CapCut features, you can try out CapCut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our CapCut video editing for beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and reels in the video description as well.